Hi everyone, I am Narayan Khanna. My roll number is MT23AAI029. I am going to demonstrate IoT enabled water purifier functionality. First, let's start with the question 2A, which is the block diagram of the IoT based water purifier water sensor. So in this block diagram, I have depicted the central component as our ESP32S3, and which is having the three main primary components, that is an internet, Wi-Fi and the power supply. So in our case, the power supply would be the USB cable, which is basically connected from the laptop, and I have displayed some sensors like water flow sensors, air valve sensors, and the pH sensors. Along with that, some important components like motor, water inlet, and the conductivity and the turbidity. I have depicted all this in the block diagram of this IoT enabled water purifier. Now coming to the question 2, I'm going to demonstrate you the three things simultaneously. One is the code which is basically running this function, and the third thing is second thing is the code and the Google Sheet, and the simultaneously the Telegram. And also my the hardware setup. So if you see, if if I touch this pin, D7 pin, then it will show that touch sensor is detected, and water dispensing started. And simultaneously, if you see that, observe that it has made an entry to the Google Sheet. Now the last entry, it's showing that the first transaction, along with that the current capacity of the water dispenser and the current filter health. If we see, the same thing will be displayed in the Telegram bot as well. So current state, it is showing the 99.75, and the remaining water is 99.75 liter. So if we do the same transaction one more time by using this our setup, so let's say if I am going to touch this pin one more time, so it's saying that touch detected, water dispensing started. And if you see that when the water is dispensing, the LED is glowing, and simultaneously it made an entry to the Google Sheet. And if you compare the last line, it is being 500. The current transaction is showing 500 and a 99.5, considering that 1 lakh liter, 1 lakh ml is the total capacity. So let's say if I just use the command /water purifier, it will show that 99.5, and the current health is 99.5, which is the same as the Google Sheet. So this is the complete demonstration of the question 2A and the 2C, 2B and 2C, where we have I have demonstrated that how the filter is basically dispensing this logic. So question 2B is mainly considering this three flag variables, which is a filter capacity, which is basically the total filter capacity in milliliters, and the water dispensed. This variable is basically used the total amount of water dispensed so far in milliliters, and the total transactions. So this total transaction basically count how many times that water dispensing transaction have occurred. So these three variables in the logic basically controlling the entire flow of water dispensing activity. And the main function is the dispense water. So whenever there is a dispense water function is called from the loop function, this thus it just simply increment the counter of the total transaction, and adding that 250 ml to the water dispense activity, and correspondingly it is adding the delay of 5000 milliseconds. And also this method is also doing the logging to the spreadsheet, also sending the methods to the Telegram bot. So this is the complete demonstration of the complete demonstration of the question 2. Now for the question 1, I am going to present that question from my PDF. So this is the complete program I have written. I have used some kind of a CV, open CV libraries to improve or basically denoise our images that is captured from our camera. So I have used some OpenCV libraries to make it better and to make it more smoother. So this is the overall result, that before my image were having a lot of grains, and after that I have used some CV library to improve those images. So this is my my selfie, and along with the workstation setup. So this is I have captured. Thank you. That's the whole demonstration all about. Thanks everyone.